Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News NE. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today praised the valor and precision of India's armed forces for their decisive role in Operation Sindoor. Here we are bringing you the full details. PM Modi praises Operation Sindoor's success. Enemy airbase attacks fail, says PM. Soldiers crush terrorist camp and enemy arrogance. Modi invokes patriotism, spiritual Indian heritage. Heroes of history and soldiers honored deeply. Yes, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today praised the valor and precision of India's armed forces for their decisive role in Operation Sindoor, asserting that they not only destroyed enemy infrastructure but also shattered the audacity of India's adversaries, referring to multiple attempts by Pakistan to retaliate against Indian air bases including Adhampur. The Prime Minister declared led by Operation Sindoor, the enemy tried to target this base and several others multiple times, but every attempt failed. Their nefarious designs were neutralized. PM Modi lauded the unwavering spirit of the soldiers, stating, "I can proudly say that all of our reached your targets with perfection. In Pakistan, not just the terrorist camp and air bases were eliminated, but their arrogance were crushed too." He invoked the patriotic spirit embodied in the battle cry Bharat Mata Ki Jai, proclaiming the slogan echoes not just in the battlefield but also in every mission. It is the resolve of every soldier ready to lay down his life for the nation and the voice of every citizen who wishes to serve the country. Drawing from India's spiritual heritage, he added, "India is a land of Gautam Buddha and Guru Gobind Singh, but our enemies forget whom they were challenging. The godfathers of terrorism have now realized that casting an evil eye on India will only ensure their doom." Emphasizing the significance of Operation Sindoor in India's military history, PM Modi told the assembly, "Soldiers, you are the brave warriors who have created history. I have come here not just as a prime minister but as a grateful citizen. You are the reason every Indian walks with pride. Decades from now, your courage will inspire generations. The heroes of this chapter in Indian history will be you and your comrades." PM Modi's visit to the base and his heartfelt address aimed to boost moral, honor the bravery of the forces and reaffirm the government's unwavering support for the armed forces in safeguarding national security. Here is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi have stated.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कोई सामान्य सैन्य अभियान नहीं है। ये भारत की नीति, नियत और निर्णायक क्षमता की त्रिवेणी है। भारत बुद्ध की भी धरती है और गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी की भी धरती है। गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने कहा था, 1.25 से एक लड़ाऊं, चिड़ियन ते मैं बात तुड़ाऊं, तबे गुरु गोविंद सिंह नाम कहाऊं। अधर्म के नाश और धर्म की स्थापना के लिए शस्त्र उठाना, ये हमारी परंपरा है। इसलिए जब हमारी बहनों बेटियों का सिंदूर छीना गया तो हमने आतंकियों के फन को उनके घर में घुस के कुचल दिया।
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
वो कायरों की तरह छिप कर आए थे, लेकिन भूल गए उन्होंने जिसे ललकारा है वो हिंद की सेना है। आपने उन्हें सामने से हमला करके मारा। आपने आतंक के तमाम बड़े अड्डों को मिट्टी में मिला दिया। 9 आतंकी ठिकाने बर्बाद हुए। 100 से ज्यादा आतंकियों की मौत हुई। आतंक के आकाओं को अब समझ आ गया है भारत की ओर नजर उठाने का एक ही अंजाम होगा।
That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NA.